students. We are discussing our chapter 1, that is planning in sport. Yesterday we discussed about the knockout fixture procedure, and I given you some assignment yesterday to prepare a knockout fixture for 4 teams and 7 teams. So those solutions we'll discuss today. How to prepare a knockout fixture for 4 teams. Let it discuss first. As you know that if there are 4 teams, so that can be represented by number 1, 2, 3 and 4. Teams can be represented that way. And number of rounds you can calculate as the nearest power of 2. That is 4 is equal to 2 to the power 2. Means there will be 2 rounds. Power of 2 does 2 rounds in a fixture. Now bye is given in this fixture as first round is complete. Number of teams 4, number of matches 4, number of teams in upper half 2 and in lower half 2. You know well, yesterday we discussed how to calculate the number of teams in upper half and lower half. If there are even number of teams, so simply it can be n by 2, that is n is equal to number of teams. So here we have 4 teams, so n by 2 is equal to 2 in upper half and 2, rest 2 teams will be in lower half. Byes will be 2 to the power n minus number of teams, that is 2 to the power 2 minus n, that is equal to 4 minus 4 0. So there is no bye given in the match, or you can take it as those who are the exact power of 2. Means suppose if there are 4 teams or 8 teams or 16 teams, then there will not be any bye given, because all the teams can be arranged in a proper way. So bye will not be given in such exact power of 2 teams if present. As suppose there are 32 teams, so that can be represented as 2 to the power 5, means there will be 5 rounds and no bye will be given. If there are 33, then there will be 1 bye, because it is coming up to 31 only, no? So there will be 1 bye. So you can see the fixture how it is arranged. There are 2 rounds. The first round, upper half, there are 2 teams, they will play match, and second match is between the lower half teams, that is team 3rd and 4th. They will qualify 1 team from upper half and lower half, and they will meet in the finals. So there will be 2 rounds and winner will be decided in the second round itself. So that was the fixture for 4 teams. Now we are going to discuss the fixture for 7 teams. 7 teams you can calculate. First of all, you calculate the power of 2, that comes 8, 2 to the power 3. So there will be 3 rounds. And how many byes will be given? 8 minus 7 is equal to 1 bye. And by how we are providing, you know it well. First bye is given to the last team of lower half, second bye is given to the first team of upper half, third bye is given to the first team of lower half, and fourth bye is given to the last team of upper half. And this process continues if the teams are still present and byes are still present. So here we have just 1 bye, so it is given to the last team of the lower half, that is team number 7. You can see in first round we have matches in upper half. There are 4 teams and plus 1 by 2, and lower half we have team number 5, 6 and 7. We got it by n minus 1 upon 2, that is 6 by 2 is equal to 3. So upper half we have 4 teams and lower half we have 3 teams, and last team number 7 has got the bye. So first match is between team number 1 and 2. They will qualify for the second round, and second match is between team number 3 and 4 in the upper half. Third match is between 5 and 6, and team number 7 has got the bye. So each winner of the first round will meet the winner of other teams in the next round, that is round number 2, and 1 teams will qualify for the final in the third round, and thus we will get the winner. So this is the process of arranging teams in a proper way for knockout fixture. You have seen, you try to understand it. If any problem is there, just comment on YouTube's comment box. I will see that, I will try to answer it. Today's assignment, as above examples I have shown to you, try to prepare a knockout fixture for 11 teams and 21 teams. That we'll discuss tomorrow. Hope so you all are fit and fine. Study well at home. Remain safe and exercise every day. Thank you.